What's up, guys? MazdaHelp here. I was actually lucky enough to find a garage door bottom, which you can get at Home Depot. So that means I'm going to be putting that on my car. You just need some 3M tape. So I'm show you guys how to do this. So once you get your 3M tape out, you got your garage door lip here. Mine's a little beat up, but that's alright. And then it's going to get beat up anyway. You guys know how low my car is. And you're just going to want to unroll this here as much as it'll go. And you just want to peel this 3M and just place it right along here. And you want to do this all the way down it. See what I'm doing here? Just putting the 3M on the small part of the lip, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I'm done that.